actually is this triple point? This triple point is a point where all the three phases of the substance exist simultaneously. Now we know any substance can mainly exist in three different phases: solid, liquid or gas. So if a substance can exist in all the three phases simultaneously, then that particular state or that particular point is known as triple point. I know many of you have heard of dry ice. Now what is this dry ice? This dry ice is nothing but solid carbon dioxide. That means carbon dioxide in a solid form. And this dry ice is majorly used for fire extinguishing and for cooling purposes. This actually cools, the rate of cooling is actually very higher as compared to the water ice. Okay, so if you have not seen the solid carbon dioxide, I will show you the solid carbon dioxide and I will tell you how does this solid carbon dioxide works. Okay, so you can see this solid carbon dioxide here, and you can see this is getting vaporized. I will also show you the triple point of this carbon dioxide. For this, I will put certain dry ice in this water bottle. So we have filled some dry ice in this water bottle, and I am closing this bottle, right? Okay, and I will put this for some time. Okay, let this get vaporized. And now I am coming to this triple point. This, what we have done here is, okay, I am little bit afraid because इसका देखो pressure अंदर का बहुत बढ़ गया है. Okay, और ये अगर if you can see here, okay, ये फूलने लगा है हर जगह से ये bottle. Okay, so what actually is happening here, and unfortunately मेरे पास safety goggles भी नहीं है. Okay, so what actually is happening is when I have put this dry ice inside this bottle, okay, this is getting sublimated, और जैसे जैसे sublimation इसका हो रहा है, इसका जो pressure है, the pressure inside this bottle is getting increased. Now what actually is happening here and how we are getting this triple point, let us understand this with the help of this graph. So initially we are having the dry ice, we are having the carbon dioxide in the solid form at this particular point at minus 78 degrees centigrade. When it is exposed to atmosphere, obviously it is getting sublimated, and after sublimation the temperature will increase, the temperature will start increasing. Okay, so the temperature will increase, first thing. Second thing, because it is getting sublimated inside the water bottle, and obviously the specific volume of gaseous form of carbon dioxide is more as compared to solid form, so obviously the pressure inside the bottle is increasing. Getting this? So first thing, the temperature is increasing, and second thing, the pressure is also increasing. The pressure which was initially 1 atmosphere is now close to 5 atmosphere. The temperature which was initially minus 78 degrees centigrade, or you can say 195 Kelvin, is now close to around 216 Kelvin. Okay, so at this particular point, it has reached the triple point where it will exist in all solid, liquid and gaseous phase. And you can see here the water droplets you can see in this particular bottle. Okay, some water droplets is here. If you can see, okay, so so this is nothing but triple point. Okay, this here we are having the carbon dioxide in liquid form also. I don't know how much you can see, but I can see here this carbon dioxide is existing in, this is floating, the dry ice is floating here. Okay, this is existing in liquid form also. This is already existing in solid form, in liquid form and in gaseous form. Okay, so this is nothing but the triple point at which all the three phases exist simultaneously. Now before it get burst, I will try to open this. So you can see how high the pressure it was, around 5 atmosphere. That's why we were able to attain this. And this dry ice, obviously, as I told you, is used for fire extinguishing and for cooling purposes. Now there is some more interesting use of this dry ice. This is used by event managers to produce fog, if you have seen in the movies or in some events. Okay, so how they produce fogs, I will just tell you, and this would be quite interesting for you. Okay, so I have this warm water in this bowls, and here so this is how this fog is produced. Okay. To get complete video lectures of GATE, IES and SSC JE Mechanical Engineering branch, download our free application GATE Lectures for Mechanical from Play Store. To continue getting preparation related videos on YouTube, subscribe our channel along with bell icon to get regular notifications.